This is the best Pico De Gallo recipe I've tried in a long time, and I think you guys may agree when you try it yourself. I've used traditional ingredients plus a few other ingredients to make it a little more unique. Make it at the start of the week for it to marinate and develop in flavor. This dish is also versatile. You could use it on so many dishes like tacos, you could use it in rice bowls, baked fish, or even on salads. Let's get into it. For the most part, we are going to dice our ingredients. Slice the tomato as you see here, but be sure not to cut all the way through. Rotate 90 degrees and slice again. This results in a blooming tomato. Then we'll flip it on the side and slice downwards to get square pieces. Almost there. Scoop everything in, drop it in the bowl. Oops. All right, here we go. I'm using half an onion flat side down. Slice down following the natural grain of the onion. If any of the pieces get stuck, just put them back in. Next time, I'll keep the roots on to avoid this happening. Then rotate 90 degrees and make slices parallel to your cutting board. Then finish off by cutting into squares. Slice your bell pepper skin side down. Slices should be about as wide as your onion slices. Then we're going to rotate 90 degrees and finish the dice. De-seed your Scotch bonnet to reduce the heat. Then we're going to fine dice. For the cilantro, we're going to just bunch everything together and dice everything finely, stems and all. Now for the finishing touches. Sugar and salt helps to bring everything together and preserves. Cumin gives an earthy tone and warms everything up. I love garlic, so just dump it all in. Apple cider vinegar for extra acidity and health benefits. A little oil for body and sheen. And pineapple, which adds sweetness, tropical flavor, and aids in the digestion of meats. Voila! Make sure to include this salsa recipe in your weekly prep. I diced mine for presentation's sake. Likewise, if you're hosting a dinner party, that would be my suggestion. But if you're just doing a quick dinner, just throw everything in a food processor and whiz away. Make sure to check out my awesome, super tasty chicken taco recipe where you can use this salsa on. Thanks for watching, guys.